Guten Morgen, hier ist die Frau Walker. Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to run through the typical lesson one mastery check that you're used to. I've gotten a lot of feedback about how we need to pare things down as much as possible. So the lists are large, but we're going to focus in Quizlet on 70, please. 70 words. So make sure that when you open up German 1, Unit 5 Mastery Check 1, that in Quizlet you are first going to go to that test button on the Mastery Check vocabulary list. And then once you click that test button in the top right hand corner, you are going to make the test 70 questions, matching multiple choice and true false only, the standard grading, and that you're answering with German. And of course, when you're done, then you get to write in the number here. Don't forget two very important things. You are going to show me evidence of your correctly completed Quizlet test by taking a screenshot of 63 or better. And also, please, once I have signed this mastery check, the picture of the mastery check form as well. And then you will have finished mastery check 1. Have a great day. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüssi.